Yo.
No way.
My electronics, bro. Welcome back to another YouTube video. The GTI is in the shop again. Shop is looking kind of crammed, but it's because the basement's a work in progress. But there's Mr. Laurent. He's back and ready to work another 8 hours unpaid shift. We're going to be installing the diverter valve upgrade. However, this is the second revision that Go Fast Bits has made for the 2.0 turbo motors. It basically implements all the good stuff from the first revision of this of this diverter valve, along with it to make fun noises. I haven't seen no YouTube video on this being installed yet, this revision. So we're gonna give it a shot, see how it goes. It's not focusing.
Do you really want to put jack stands?
Yes, for our safety and yours.
I don't care about safety.
Right now we're jacking it up. As you can see, we're jacking it up using the subframe bolts right there. This guy's on his phone. You can't be on your phone during the 8-hour unpaid shift.
Gazi, I'm waiting for you.
Car is on the jack stands. Now it's time to take off this wheel, make our life a little easier, and we got to get up to the turbo. How do you feel right now?
Huh?
How do you feel?
I'm shot, but here we go.
We got to get that sensor for the DV to come out.
Here.
That's basically the whole DV right there. Guys, I don't know if that's normal or not.
Wait.
Wait for it. Wait for it. It's just not going to do it when we get the camera on. Yeah, there it is. Why are you playing? Alright, so what you guys are looking at here is the DV off of the car. But however, a majority of you guys that have a Mk6 Gti or just a 2.0 turbo, it's not going to look like this. I actually have the first revision of the DV Plus on this one, but I'm actually upgrading it to a second revision. So for most people, this is not going to look. This is not what it's going to look like when you guys first take off the DV. This is basically the first version of the DV Plus that Go Fast Bits made, and now we're just upgrading it to the second revision, which is right here. And as you can see, there's quite a difference between the two. There's definitely a big difference between the two. This one's fucking huge. And like the pisty thing that it has in here is implemented inside the actual thing. So that goes up and down, just how this goes up and down. And this also makes for a ton more cooler noises.
You think?
Yeah, but...
Do you really believe that?
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully that's the case.
I kind of don't, but...
Don't mind that.
Oh.
Don't mind that. So now you get what's in this little goodie bag. Now you just take the spring that's provided, you implement it, you put it into the factory DV. You're basically, what this is you're just rebuilding the old diverter valve, making it upgraded.
Pretty much.
Then this piece go in here. You could get some oil. Put some oil on here. Just lube it up nice and juicy. After the spring, you pop this in. Make sure it does its thing. Make sure it goes up and down. If it doesn't go up and down, that's a separate problem. Now there's a notch on the actual DV.
I don't think they can see it.
There's a notch right here anyways. And there's a notch on this stock diverter valve. Right there, there's like a little bump.
Mm-hmm.
So you kind of just got to match it up. You got to match up the two.
It's flush.
There it is. Now this is basically ready to put back into the car, back into the turbo. You kind of just got to swoop this in. It's a pain in the ass to get to, but this is like our third time doing this, so...
No, it's our second.
Second time, sorry. It's the second time doing this, so it's not that bad. But so you get best of both worlds with this revision. Yeah, it's more expensive. It's like 50, 60 bucks more. But you get the best of both worlds as far as sound goes and as far as actual performance goes. Shout out to Go Fast Bits. Please sponsor us. Please sponsor my Mk6 Gti big turbo build because I really need it. And I would appreciate a lot of Go Fast parts. Thank you.
You have the bolts?
Pierburg, Germany. Oh. You probably need those. You got the bolts? All right.
No, I don't have the bolts, but yeah, I can't see anything. I can't see anything. You know, we'll be back because this is just 3 bolts and that's it. Okay, so well, this is the finished product. Oh, yeah, this camera's retarded. Okay, so this is the finished product. The DV is completely done. Damn, that's actually pretty fat. Hopefully that fixed the high pitch whistle, because that high pitch whistle was not it at all. It sounded like the turbo was about to go.
Yo.
No way.
My electronics, bro.
And then electronics. I forgot about the Christmas lights on.
Christmas time.
Oh,
Oh, that was baby pull.
what's the baby for? It sounded pretty nice, but I don't know.
And there's no whistle. There's no whistle.
Don't close the window all the way.
Did you hear that? That shit said whoops, whoops. That shit sounds fire.
Yeah, now I'm getting wet. And you wonder where your gas goes.